What is the process for creating a 3D interactive projection mapping? Have you ever wondered how those stunning visual displays that seem to dance across buildings and surfaces are created? Let's break down the process of creating a three-dimensional interactive projection mapping. It all starts with planning and surface analysis. First, you need to define what story or message you want to convey. This could be anything from an artistic expression to a marketing campaign. Next, you analyze the physical surface where the projection will happen. This could be a flat wall, a curved sculpture, or even an irregular object. Understanding the surface's shape, texture, and color is key to designing visuals that will fit perfectly. Once you have a clear concept, the next step is creating a three-dimensional model of the surface. You can use specialized software or even scan the object to create a digital version. This model must accurately reflect the real-world dimensions and shape to ensure that your visuals align correctly when projected. Now, let's move on to content creation. This is where the magic happens. You will develop animations, graphics, or videos tailored to your 3D model. Software like Adobe After Effects or Blender can be helpful here. It is important to consider the geometry of the surface to avoid any distortion. Using bright colors and dynamic elements will make your visuals pop. After creating your content, it's time for software setup and mapping. Load your 3D model and content into projection mapping software. Popular tools include Touch Designer and Resolume Arena. These platforms allow you to align the digital camera view with the projector's position, ensuring that the image matches the physical object perfectly. Masking techniques can help isolate specific areas for projection. Calibration and alignment come next. Position your projector so that the image covers the target surface without distortion. You will project test patterns onto the surface to verify alignment. Adjust the camera's viewpoint in the software until everything lines up seamlessly. To add interactivity, integrate sensors or input devices like cameras or motion detectors. These will allow the visuals to change based on user actions or environmental factors. Programming this interactivity requires combining real-time data processing with your projection mapping software. Testing and fine-tuning are essential. Conduct multiple test runs to ensure everything looks and responds as expected. Adjust brightness and contrast as needed to achieve the best visual quality. Finally, it's time for deployment and operation. Once everything is calibrated and tested, you can run your projection mapping installation. Keep an eye on the system during operation to maintain alignment and interactivity. The applications for 3D interactive projection mapping are vast. You can create immersive art installations where viewers influence the visuals through their movements. It can also be used for branded experiences at events that respond to audience interaction or architectural projections that transform buildings dynamically. This entire process blends general computing principles with emerging technology, resulting in captivating interactive experiences that engage and inspire.